So you want to upload your video but don't know where to put your thumbnail. Thumbnails are so important, and if you don't know much about thumbnails, click on the video below so I'll show you how to do what thumbnails are and how to get your thumbnails. And by the way, I've linked below to Canva. Canva is a software that you can freely use to create highly engaging thumbnails. So the question is, why do I upload my thumbnails when I'm uploading my video? So you have a video, you have a thumbnail, but don't know where to put the thumbnail. So I'm going to show you where to put your thumbnail when you're uploading your video. Now, quickly, we have hopped into YouTube here, and then of course the first thing you want to do is, sorry about that, you want to come to this create here, click on that button, then upload video. Of course the first thing you want to do is to upload a video before you even upload a thumbnail. All right, so I'm here, I have my video here, I have my thumbnail here. Okay, so the first thing, of course, I have to upload this video before I even upload my thumbnail. So I'm just going to drag it and drop it there, as simple as that. And voila, I have my video on. So this is where you upload your thumbnail. Now just scroll down, sorry. Just scroll down, then you see thumbnails, simple. Click on this button here, and then to take you to your desktop or folder, and then easily you can upload a thumbnail. Or if that's not working, then just come here where your thumbnail is. So this is my thumbnail. I want to upload it on my YouTube. I just click it, drag it, and drop it there. Boom. And it will process my thumbnail there. And voila, you've got it. That's how you upload your thumbnail. As simple as that. I hope you've gotten some value, and if you have, please remember to subscribe.